What began as a story of goodwill, a journey to a friend's house, detoured into a horror story. 66-year-old George Smart, who was thrown into a pit and left to die, is today counting his blessings that he survived the terrifying ordeal.
No, I never give up. I believe my faith in God keep me alive.
Smart was on his way home. After having taken a friend to her place of abode, he was intercepted by two armed men who pulled him out of his vehicle and dragged him through the bushes of Jones Avenue to a nearby manhole.
And said I should put my foot in. And putting my foot inside, they just let me go. And they let me go, I keep going down, down. When I reach the bottom of the pit, I just rolled to the corner of the pit because I didn't expect to hear a gunshot.
The men, Smart recounts, covered the manhole. However, they frequently came throughout the nights to check if he was still alive.
They started to drop stones, big stones. They started to throw oil, like gas oil or gas, and then they drop plastic on it, and they started to catch the cave on fire.
A piece of board he found in the pit was his instrument to out the fire. After many days and nights of prayers, Smart says the manhole cover was lifted one final time.
And then I heard the police say, "It is the police." Oh God, every hair in my head stand up. I said, "It is the police." So I still staying under. I said, "How do I sure it is the police?" They turn on the police radio and say, "Hear this." And me hear the police radio tripping and they talking. Then I said, "I'm still not sure." I said, "How do I really sure it is?" And so we're sending for the fireman to come and take you out. Then I believe them.
Smart lauded the police and firefighters who rescued him, saying they were all sent from God. The 66-year-old went further to extend kind words to the men who threw him into the pit.
I forgive the two youth who put me in the pit because they are young people and they do not understand. I leave all judgment to God.
Paige Dixon,